So, if you are in the internet for quite a while, you may have noticed that scientists and astronomers are talking about the star Betelgeuse going supernova. It's kind of insane because Betelgeuse is one of the biggest stars out there and the supernova of the star would be very powerful. So in this video let's see what is going on with the star and how would its supernova look like. I'd like to talk about three main things about the Betelgeuse supernova. Which are, what exactly is Betelgeuse and how it was found, how did scientists found out that the supernova was going to happen, and finally, how would the supernova look like and what damage can it cause? Betelgeuse is one of the biggest and powerful stars ever known to mankind. Betelgeuse is usually the 10th brightest star in the night sky and is located in the constellation Orion. The star itself is 642.5 light-years away from our planet. In 1920, Betelgeuse became the first star to have its diameter measured by means of the beam interferometer invented by Albert A. Michelson. This instrument was first tested on the 100-inch telescope at Mount Wilson on December 13, 1920. The star is a red supergiant and has a radius of 617.1 million kilometers. So we now know what Betelgeuse is, but how did scientists found out that the star is going supernova? To get the answer to that question, we need to know how scientists actually find stars running out of fuel or how stars actually explode. NASA scientists use different types of telescopes to look for and study supernovas. Some telescopes are used to observe the visible light from the explosion. Others record data from the X-rays and gamma rays that are also produced. The Hubble Space Telescope and Chandra X-ray Observatory are used to capture images of supernovae. An international team of observers happened to have the Hubble Space Telescope pointed at Betelgeuse before, during, and after the dimming event. Combined with some timely ground observations, this UV data indicated that a big burp that formed a cloud of dust near the star may have caused the star to get darker. As the red supergiant Betelgeuse once again returns to normal brightness levels, astronomers have taken the star's temperature to identify the cause of its recent dimming. It turns out the star wasn't fluctuating internally, rather, Betelgeuse sneezed out a huge cloud of dust, which obscured its light for a while. Less than 10 million years old, Betelgeuse has evolved rapidly because of its large mass and is expected to end its evolution with a supernova explosion, most likely within 100,000 years. Due to this event called the Great Dimming, scientists speculate that Betelgeuse will go supernova. Not to mention the Sun is about 4.603 billion years old, and Betelgeuse is only 10.01 million years, making Betelgeuse way younger than the Sun. So, if the supernova occurs, what would its sight look like from Earth? And, would it cause any damage to Earth? Astronomers say there's still uncertainty over how the supernova would play out, but they were able to augment their accuracy using observations taken during supernova 1987A, the closest known star to explode in centuries. Humans would be able to see the supernova in the daytime sky for roughly a year, and it would be visible at night with the naked eye for several years, as the supernova aftermath dims. And let's get into the final question, will Betelgeuse cause any damage to Earth? The answer to that is, no. Whenever Betelgeuses blow up, our planet Earth is too far away for this explosion to harm, much less destroy, life on Earth. Astrophysicists say we'd have to be within 50 light-years of a supernova for it to harm us. Betelgeuse is nearly 10 times this distance. So, let's just expect that Betelgeuse will be a spectacular light show to be seen in the sky. But unfortunately, supernovae visible to the naked eye are rare. One occurs in our galaxy every few hundred years, so there is no guarantee you will ever see one in our galaxy in your lifetime. In 1987, a supernova called 1987A was visible in a nearby galaxy called the Large Magellanic Cloud. But there's still some hope. Scientists discovered that there would be another supernova in 2022 that can be seen with your naked eyes. Want to know more about that? Well, that will be discussed on another video. Feel free to give your suggestions about Betelgeuse in the comment section. I'm always excited to answer you all. And if you liked my video, make sure you subscribe. It keeps me motivated and helps me a lot. That it for today. See you all in another video.